Ecom lessons in Spanish free is one of the most popular requests of our Spanish entrepreneur community, so, we will give you access to this great information to learn Ecom in Spanish language. If you really want to learn marketing in Spanish language, this video is for you. Stay until the end to know the amazing research we did for you. We will give you access to this information on how to increase your income step by step from your home 100% free. We start now.
Welcome to Passive Incomes. Our mission is to plant seeds of abundance, fortune and happiness. Sharing with you our passion to improve your life, your finances, love and health from a high state of consciousness.
If you want to learn Ecom in Spanish language, dropshipping Spanish, learn commerce in Spanish, or something more general like learn selling in Spanish language, you can do the research for yourself or listen to us because we find and contact the best marketer for Hispanics and he gave us a surprise for you. First, we got a list of who teaches eCommerce in Spanish and better than this, who teach make money for Hispanics. We needed to be sure you could learn eCommerce in Spanish for free, but not without first reading to make money Hispanics testimonials. For us to share relevant information is really important. This is why we speak, read, and looking for not only the best marketer Spanish speaker but also be sure then who teaches make money for Hispanics is a person with personality and principles and that supports their students and followers, someone who also share tips and relevant information for free, not the typical and known for everybody, because if you want to make e-commerce lessons Spanish, or whatever you want to learn, the important is you choose someone with experience. If you can access to the best will be great, and also someone who practices and all his lifestyle checks what he is telling you. Checking the e-commerce tutorials in Spanish from the gurus, who teaches marketing in the Spanish language. For us it was easy to know just by reading learning Ecom in Spanish testimonials. We were looking for, and got hundreds of testimonials because who teaches e-commerce in Spanish has to be someone who can corroborate that he does what he tells you, because he sells and gets recognition for his achievements. We have found that person for you. He has awards and recognitions not only in the Hispanic market but also being a top seller of products from different niches worldwide, and what most caught our attention is the public recognition of his followers and students for his unconditional support, innovation, and creativity. In addition, he has had the vision to create different tools that marketers know are necessary and that he shares with his followers and clients, whom he affectionately calls friends. We also contacted him and he gave our followers access to eCommerce lessons Spanish. Just go to the description of this video and click the link to go to the website to learn Ecom in Spanish free. It does not matter if you are a beginner or you already have experience in marketing, we know you will be surprised with this free course, his disruptive ideas, and smart tools. Also, down in the description, you can click and visit the incredible tools he and the developers created, that almost nobody in the Spanish market has. Thanks for watching. If you want to be notified when we upload a new video, after subscribing, click the bell on the right. And don't forget to visit our Spanish Entrepreneur Community playlist.